The S8 Pro video head from Benro combines advanced features with versatility and a robust design perfect for heavy loads. Supporting up to 17.6 pounds, this head is perfect for DSLRs and video cameras. With metal knob construction and a magnesium alloy flat base, this head is ideal for virtually any tripod. The S8 Pro features a continual drag control, coupled with an 8-step counterbalance. The head's design makes it easy to adjust the pan drag, lock the pan, adjust the tilt drag, dial in the counterbalance, and lock the tilt, all from behind the camera, so you can make adjustments while still operating the head. The telescoping pan arm is interchangeable, so it can be mounted to either side, or a second arm can be added for dual handle control. An integrated bubble level adds even more precision to your shots. With its CNC machined quick release plate system, an included quarter 20 and 3/8 16 camera screws with built-in storage, mounting and removing of your camera has never been easier. The sliding adjustable plate with scale gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. Mounting threads on each side of the heads allow you to mount accessories like monitors or audio recorders. The head is also available in kit form, so you can couple your head with a tripod and you're ready to shoot. Check out the rest of the S Pro series heads and kits if you're looking for even more precision and portability. Versatile, robust, and portable, the S8 Pro head from Benro is the head that serious filmmakers have been waiting for.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more product videos, tips and tricks, service videos, influencer content, you name it, subscribe to our YouTube page.